let us jump straight into the video for today. Right now, just go straight and look at this particular app right here. This specific app is on Google Play Store, and the app is used for mining free Bitcoin. So this particular app right here claims that they can enable their users to literally mine free Bitcoin using this specific app right here. And the best thing about this particular stuff is that it's on Google Play Store. I will show you the app on Google Play Store and also navigate this particular app and show you how you can actually use it and mine free Bitcoin for yourself freely of charge right here. It's very simple and easy right now. So now that I'm about to show you everything right here, just go ahead and give this video a like. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. It helps the YouTube to grow. So it's very important to hit that subscribe button right now so that we can get started. So now listen carefully. This actually a disclaimer that everything I'm going to share with you in this particular video is not a financial advice, because I'm not responsible for your losses or your gain right here. I'm not the owner of this particular app, which is the Bitcoin mining app that I'm going to share with you right here. So I know nothing about it. I'm just actually going to share you my experience about why I was using it. Okay, so do your due diligence research or investigation before you go ahead and make anything transaction or money transaction in the specific app that I'm going to share with you right here, which is this. Okay, so let's just try it out so that you guys can literally see if it actually works or not, because we're going to be reviewing all these because they literally said that you can mine free BTC right here. So I will let everybody literally know if truly they are capable of giving you free Bitcoin. So right now, let's just get started by going ahead to Google Play Store and download it right here. So let me go ahead and show you the app on Google Play Store right now. Okay, so right here, take a look at it. It is called BTC Cloud Mining Crypto Miner right here. Go ahead and install it right now, just as I am also installing it right here. Okay, so take a look at it right here. The app is just like this. This is the main interface of it, just as they describe it right here on Google Play Store. Now, let's just go ahead and look for review. Take a look at how people are saying, like what people are saying concerning this particular app right here. Take a look at it. It gets 1 star, it gets 4 star, sometimes it gets 5 star right here. Okay, so at this particular video, I will literally go ahead and do review about this particular Bitcoin cloud mining right here. So now go ahead and click on open, then go ahead and click on allow right here, then just go ahead and click on slide to start. Okay, note this, there will be some few ads that will be popping up right here while using this particular app. So just note that and notice that this particular app right here contains ads. So in that ad, you literally have the full opportunity to literally mine some little amount of BTC, and there will be any money from the ads that they are showing to you, then you will be any money from the mining. That is how it works. What I literally observe. Now, if you are in this particular place, go ahead and scroll to this place, also scroll to this place. While you are scrolling, make sure you are reading through all these so that you can get to know more details about this particular app before you get started. Go ahead and click on this place right here. Then just go ahead and select the particular country that you are currently. So me myself, I'm in one of the third world country right here. So in this particular place, just go ahead to the video description. You will find a referral link for you to paste right here, but the referral link is not actually optional. You can just leave it and click on get started with Google. So take a look at it. It said congratulations. Now you can just go ahead and click on strike now. So this is the main home interface of the particular app right here. As you can see right now, I already have free BTC available right here. So all what you also have to do is just for me to go ahead and click on start mining right here, and I actually have active miner, which is this particular miner right here. Now I just have to go ahead and click on start mining right here. So take a look at it. Everything have just get started. I told you earlier, always enjoy it watching ads. So just go ahead and click on store right here. Go ahead and check out all the particular store, which is Bitcoin miner store that they literally have. But this is actually a disclaimer. I'm not advising you to literally purchase anything right here. Okay, now just go ahead and click on wallet. Let's say after you have literally mined some amount of BTC that is okay for you, go ahead and click on where it says setup. So you just have to go ahead and update all these your details right here, and then you click on update, so you can be able to literally withdraw your Bitcoin that you have literally mined. So keep in the back of your mind that I'm just new in this particular app right here, so I decided to try this out for a while before I literally make another video showing you what exact result that I literally come out with. Okay, so now just know this and know please that you just have to be coming straight to this particular place every 24 hours, watch some few hours and start mining. So me myself, I'll be doing all this with my own team right now. So at the end of the day, I will drop some part 2 of this particular app right here and showing you guys my withdrawal went through. Okay, so right now I end this video right here. I will see you in my next video right now. Bye bye for now. Peace out.